In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Coinbase Wallet account. Delete Coinbase Wallet account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect, and how to confirm the closure without surprises. Before we begin, a quick note. Closing an account is permanent and may affect your access to services linked to it. Make sure you understand what will be removed and what remains, especially if you use multiple Coinbase products. Also, keep your sign-in details and any security verification methods handy, since you may be asked to confirm your identity during the process. If you see warnings or summaries before you confirm, read them carefully so you know the implications. Start by opening your Coinbase app on your device. Once it's open, log in with your account. Use your usual credentials and complete any security prompts that appear. After you're in, look to the upper left corner of the app for a small grid icon that looks like 9 dots. This icon often opens an app menu or launcher. Tap it to reveal more options. Inside that menu, find and tap Close Account. If you don't see it immediately, pause for a moment and look through the available options. It's typically listed with account-related controls. When the Close Account screen appears, you'll be shown terms or a summary. Tap I agree to acknowledge those terms. This simply confirms you understand the consequences of closing. At this point, the app will guide you to your mobile browser and open a secure Coinbase page to complete the process. Wait for that page to load fully. In your browser view, tap the menu bar, usually shown as 3 horizontal lines, to expand your navigation options. Then tap your profile to access your account details and settings in the browser interface. Within your profile area, navigate to the right side of the available options and select Close Account. On some devices, this may appear as a tab or a section you reach by scrolling sideways. Once you're on the Close Account page, tap Close Account again to finalize. You may see a final confirmation prompt or verification request. Follow the on-screen instructions until you receive confirmation that the account is closed. That's it. If the browser page doesn't load or buttons don't respond, refresh the page or try again after updating your app and browser. And a final clarification, if you also use a self-custody wallet, assets stored on-chain are controlled by your recovery phrase and won't be deleted by closing a service account. Thanks for watching and take care.